Can you tell me how old you are? No. Layla, how old are you? Ooh. Layla, how old are you? I'm 2. What did Aunt Kate get you? Oh, a ball? You're pretty cute. Aunt Kate. Can you say thanks, Aunt Kate? Thanks. Good girl. Layla, how old are you? 2. You're pretty cute. Ready? Yay! You say 1, 2, 3. There it goes.